welcome to Chat with Sam episode number 3. Today's guest is Tamanna Ghai. She just hit 10k subscribers on YouTube and she has been here for a long time. And let's chat with her and let's get to know her more. How are you doing, Tamanna?
Yeah, I'm great. How are you? I'm so excited for this.
Okay, I'm actually doing all right. So, how has been the coronavirus in Patna? Has there been many cases or is it cooling down a bit?
It's not cooling down. It's just going up. I checked today and there were like 10,000 cases.
You've been doing YouTube for a very long time now, but I guess your YouTube viewers don't know much about your
4 years.
Yeah, for 4 years. You have been here for a long time now. Because I have been seeing myself for you for like 3 years approx. So you've been here for a long time.
Really?
Yeah, I've been seeing you from a long time really. I remember when I had posted one video, a morning routine, something like that, and then I searched for morning routines here in India and I saw your channel and I saw your videos. And I was like, okay, she's a really cool YouTuber. And you had like what, 5,000 subscribers back then. So that was really cool.
Yeah, you messaged me.
Yeah. Yeah, I like your
You
content.
messaged me about a collab. Yeah.
I actually don't remember
we
it.
never ended up doing it, but we finally are.
Yeah,
I
actually.
was reading her own.
Okay. But yeah, finally, I guess we are collabing now, so it's nice now.
Yeah.
Okay, so Tamanna, tell us about your childhood a little bit, how it has been, what it has been growing up. You're 14 now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
What about you? How old are you?
I am 17. I don't look like I'm 17, but I'm actually 17.
Wow. Okay, so I grew up in Patna. I was born and raised here. Yeah, I was born and raised here. Nothing crazy happened. I haven't shifted or anything to another town or anything. So it was very simple, very boring childhood.
Very boring childhood, I would say.
Okay. So nothing like how has been school life for you? Because you've been doing YouTube for 4 years, and I guess you're in class 9 now.
Class 9.
Yeah. Okay. So 4 years back, you were pretty young, and what did the teachers and the class like students behave with you, or like how they reacted to your channel and everything?
So till date, a lot of people hate me for YouTube. A lot. Like when I enter the class, I hear whispers about myself, and it's just annoying. Yeah. But I don't know about teachers if they know about my channel or not. I think some teachers do, but most of the teachers don't. And I don't know if they're supportive or not. They have never really addressed it in front of myself.
Because I've asked some of the YouTubers how their the classmates have reacted, and they said that the response has been pretty good in class. Like personally, many people in my class didn't know about my channel. I personally did not tell anyone because I was that creepy kid who sat at the last and didn't talk to anyone. Yeah, I did not intentionally tell many people because I knew there would be like some bad reactions as well. I'm kind of a self-conscious person, that's why I didn't tell many people, but I guess it was okay. Some people of course will hate you for what you're doing, but others, I guess it was okay.
Yeah, there are people who are like very supportive and like very loyal subscribers to my channel, so that makes me happy.
Yeah. So do you think that people should start YouTube at if they want to start a YouTube channel, do you think that they should start at a younger age, or starting at a younger age will affect their mental and physical health maybe in the long run?
I mean, it has its advantages and disadvantages. For the disadvantages, there have been times when I didn't hang out with my friends or go down because I had to edit a video or film a video, something like that. Or I pulled an all-nighter because of editing. So there have been times, so it does affect your physical health. And you don't live like a normal teenager. You always have that thought of YouTube going in your mind.
Yeah, it's like continuous it's a whole process, and it's completely going inside your mind. You constantly think of video ideas.
Yes.
Oh, I have to edit this video, and then I have skipped like so many parties and stuff because of YouTube, because I had to make videos. And when people ask that how do you manage studies and YouTube, that's actually how we manage it, because we have to skip some fun time and we have to put in some work for the YouTube.
Exactly, like on weekends I can't chill, on weekends I have film a video, and on weekdays.
Exactly, because that's what the time we actually get to film and edit, and within that one day I film a video, edit a video, and then upload the video. So it's like,
Yeah, and the problem is that there isn't lighting unless you buy a ring light. So you have to film in the afternoon time when there's daylight. Yeah.
and now, what is living in Patna like? Because there have been some I don't know about you, but outside people do talk ill of like some states, including my state as well, like Uttar Pradesh and Bihar especially. So what do you think, like how do you deal with that? Because I guess people in your channel also may ask like how is.
Yeah, I mean Patna isn't bad, but I would prefer living in like Delhi or Mumbai, or not because of living, but because of YouTube. There will be more opportunities, more collaboration. Yeah, and most of the bloggers and YouTubers live in like Mumbai, so I cannot really collab with any of them. Because you really wouldn't expect someone from Patna to start a YouTube channel.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
Yeah, because even if I wanted to collab with someone, I cannot. But I'll be moving to like Delhi or Noida maybe soon. So that's why, because of college. So I maybe get opportunities and stuff.
When are you going to college?
I was supposed to go to college in July and August, but because of the current situation, I have no idea. Because my 12th board exams, there was a whole scenario. Firstly, the exams were there, then they were cancelled. Now I'm waiting for the results, and that's something scary because the entire world will ask me about the results. So that's another thing. And after that, maybe if the situation like gets better, I'll get into college, of course, this year. So online classes or stuff, we'll see what will happen.
Nice.
Yeah. So like how do you deal with your hate comments? Because when I get hate on YouTube, I sometimes don't mind, but sometimes like literally I got this message from a girl the other day, and she put me down in so many ways. She literally messaged like 3-4 paragraphs to me on Instagram. And after that she said that I am feeling sorry and I shouldn't have done, and can you please tell me how much do you earn through YouTube?
Oh my god.
I was like, what is happening? Because one night I was literally almost on the verge of crying because of those comments, and they were really rude, body shaming stuff, and I was really pissed off at first. And then she was asking that how much do I earn through YouTube, so I don't know. Do you have such haters?
So as you probably know, a lot of people accuse me of copying Zoya Bas.
Yeah, I don't know, like you guys are friends now.
Yeah, we are, yeah. And you remember this trend which was going around, which was reading your assumptions about me?
Yeah.
Yeah, so of course we both would hop on that trend, right? And then people were accusing me of copying her because like we both did that video. So yeah.
Actually, because I have seen many of your videos, and I've seen Zoya's videos as well. Both of you are really talented, by the way. But I've seen like some videos which even me, I get accused of copying certain YouTubers. Even when I put the video before them, they will tell me that I've copied this particular person, and I'll not be taking the names, of course. But they'll tell me that you have copied this video from this person. I was like, I've made this video before, and how can I copy it?
I agree. Yeah, I have also.
When I scroll down to your comment section, I see so many hate comments, and literally in each and every single video, there is a comment that you were copying Zoya Bas, and I am like, how is she copying her?
Exactly, like I made the this photo shoot series. Yeah, I made this photo shoot series, and people were accusing me of copying Zoe in that as well. Like, we have never made, like, she has never made that video. How can you just like?
I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. Because I guess in this teenage genre, you were the first one who made like the like whole photograph scenario kind of. I guess you were the first one, right? Who made the photo shoot one? Yeah, I remember seeing your video. And after that, people like commented on mine also that have you seen Tamanna's video? And I was like, yeah, I've seen her video. Even another thing which I wanted to talk to you about is that like some foreign YouTubers do these certain trends which we tried. I've seen your videos and you have like made this video, I guess, paranormal experience, something like that. I've seen that video.
Yes.
So that video is like complete foreign concept. It's not something which is based in India. And I don't know, those videos don't do well here. And even I have so many ideas which I would like to put up, but those videos just don't do well. That's why I don't make.
Exactly. People in India just like to see a day in my life.
I mean, I've made like 2-3 morning routines, and people still demand to make more morning routines. And
Wow.
yeah, it's like my morning routine doesn't change that much every like month, but
Exactly. Sometimes you have to add certain things to make your morning look
Your morning look interesting.
yeah, exactly. I can relate to it because like my morning routine did not change a slight bit when I was like in grade 11th and I was in grade 12th. But I had to make it look like I was having more fun in grade 12th because people were demanding the routine thing again. So Tamanna, you hit 10k subscribers. How do you feel?
Yeah, so I was actually downstairs. I was with my friends and I hit it. I was like screaming. Nothing very exciting.
It just happened.
It just happened. I mean, I was very excited for it, but when I hit it, it didn't make any difference, right? I was like, okay, this is how I feel.
Happened because when I hit 10k, I was like 10k होने वाले 10k होने वाले and एक दिन मैं I was sleeping and अगले दिन देखा तो 10k हो गए तो मैंने कहा वो 10k हो गए.
Oh.
Yeah, so it's, but I guess it feels kind of